Hello, I'm Adriar. I'm a mainly creative Twitch streamer and also an Elgato Partner, and with a little over a week to go for this year's St. Jude Play Live season, I wanted to share with you 3 really cool ways that you can use your Stream Deck to improve your charity streams. So the first thing that you can do is use a timer button. Have you ever needed to dab for 30 seconds for incentives, so you have to hassle with your phone just to set up one timer? The timer button works so perfectly for charity streams because you can quickly start multiple timers at a time, name them to match your incentives and the duration of your incentives, and you can cancel them if you have to end the time for some reason. You can customize the noise that plays at the end, and if you don't want to do that, it comes with some preset options. You can have commands, but you can also have buttons sharing more info about specific incentives and have a call to action to incentivize more donations. You just have to use the chat message button to set up the text and add the link, and boom! Now as you talk about certain incentives, you can seamlessly let chat know how to reach the link and donate. So you got a donation, but now you need to get to the Tiltify page to see if they redeemed anything. Or somebody redeemed a song or dance and you need to open the video so that you can fulfill their incentive. Use the browser button to set up a folder so you can easily fulfill chat incentives and reach your donation page so you can see exactly who donated and the incentives that they redeemed. I hope you enjoyed those. There's so many things that you can do with the Stream Deck, and these are only 4 of the really simple things that you can do just to make your charity streams a little more efficient and also to keep you in the mindset of the charity stream, not having to get distracted with setting up a timer or finding a page and stuff like that.